Good morning everyone. In today's class of business studies, I am going to discuss plan with types of plan. Here we are running chapter 4. So simply we have discussed what is planning. Planning is thinking, and now I am going to discuss plan. So here it is written, plan is a document that outlines or structure how goals are going to be met. It is a specific action proposed to help an organization achieve its objectives. Means plan is kind of a document that outlines, means kind of structure. It tells it is a proposed action, means what we have to do in future to achieve our goals or objectives. It is a kind of proposal. So planning is thinking and plan is a proposal, it's a document. So here comes types of plan. Here are two types of plan. These are single use plans, standing plans. Just learn types of plan. There are two types of plans, single use plan and standing plans. As the name of both suggests, single use. Single use means these are used only once. Standing means these will be used again and again. Let's study them in detail. Single use plans. Here it is written, single use plans are one time use plan. Okay. These are designed to achieve a particular goal that once achieved will not reoccur or means rehappen. In Hindi we can say dobara hona in future. These are made to meet the needs of unique situations. You can underline these are one time use plans. These are used for a particular goal. You can underline particular. And these are used for unique. You can underline unique. Unique means different. It may last one day or it may last for week or months. Okay, means एक बार use करते हैं, then we will not use them again. Now standing plan is just opposite of single use plan. Standing plans are also known as repeat use plans. Okay, you can underline repeat, means they will be repeat again and again. These plans focus on situations which occur repeatedly. Standing plans are used over and over again. बार बार यूज़ होते हैं. They are made once but retain their value over a period of years. Means एक बार बनाए जाते हैं but काफ़ी टाइम तक again and again यूज़ होते हैं. Retain means hold. Now difference. Let's study the differences between the two in points, in terms of points. First column single use plans, second standing plans. So here is the difference. First difference is single use plan is used only once. Standing use plan is used again and again. Simply you can learn single use plan is used once. Standing plans are used again and again. Second difference, single use plan is developed for one time event which is not likely to repeat. Okay, means एक बार किसी पर्टिकुलर वर्क के लिए और यूनिक सिचुएशन के लिए बनाए जाते हैं सिंगल यूज़ प्लान्स, बट दे आर नॉट लाइकली टू रिपीट. Now second point in standing plan is made for activities that occur regularly, means they are made for regular activities. Third point in single use plan, it is discarded. Discarded means eliminated, means हटा देना. It is useless or it is discarded or eliminated when the project is over. Okay, single use plan एक बार यूज़ होते हैं, so these are discarded after the project is over. Next, third point in standing plans, it is usually developed once but used over and over again with necessary modifications or changes from time to time. Means these are not discarded after the project is over. These are used again and again. एक बार बनाए जाते हैं. These are developed once but used over and over again with modifications if necessary. Next, point 4 in single use plans. Single use plan include, just learn single use plan को क्या क्या चीज़ें include होती हैं. Single use plan include budget, program and project. Budget, program and budget, everything is done once. So these are for single use plans. Standing plans include पॉलिसीज़, प्रोसीजर, मेथड, रूल्स एट्सेट्रा. मीन जिसको एक बार बना के चेंजेस कर सकते हैं आप एंड यूज़ कर सकते हैं अगेन एंड अगेन, लाइक पॉलिसी, प्रोसीजर, मेथड, रूल्स. एंड प्रोग्राम, बजट, प्रोजेक्ट आर single use plans. Standing plans are made for policy, procedure, method, rules. Last but not least, point fifth in single use plan is single use plan. One time use every time a new plan is prepared. मीन्स एक बार यूज़ होते हैं, हर बार नया प्लान बनाते हैं. बट इन स्टैंडिंग प्लान्स, पॉइंट नंबर 5 इज़ वंस मेड इज़ यूज फॉर मैनी ईयर्स. एक बार बना के काफ़ी टाइम तक यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो दैट दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट प्लान and types of plans, single use plans and standing use plans. So today we have done meaning of plan, types of plan and difference between single use and standing plans. This is very easy topic, just go through once. Maybe in your board examination this will be asked in MCQ. Okay, MCQ आएंगे in first term. So these are this is an important topic as per for MCQ. Okay, thank you for listening. Next topic I will discuss in next video.